Hi, Alexi here to tell you about Opto 22's newest product line. We've taken our SNAP PAC family of controllers and brains and added a wireless LAN interface to them. If you have a few minutes, I'll explain how Opto 22's wireless products can help solve your automation challenges. We'll also address concerns you might be having about implementing wireless. Finally, I'll provide an overview of Opto 22's wired plus wireless product line. So why would you consider using wireless, and what problems will it solve? Often, one of the biggest issues is acquiring data from, or controlling a part of, your plant or facility that isn't currently networked, like a tank farm, a remote pump, or the electrical room. Rather than having to install an expensive Ethernet drop in one of these locations, you can go wireless instead. Another great use for wireless is as a proof of concept for larger automation projects. Before investing in permanent wiring, you can pilot your project using wireless components. And what if you later discover that wireless isn't the right approach for your application? Here's where Opto 22 products shine. Because we've added wireless to our wired product line, you can use them wired, wireless, or both at the same time. If wireless doesn't work, for example due to interference or physical obstructions, simply plug in a standard Ethernet cable and you're back in business. We think this is an important distinction and one that separates us from our competitors. With Opto 22, you have the flexibility to go wired, wireless, or both. So what about common wireless concerns like security, performance, and cost? Opto 22's wireless supports the 802.11i standard, which includes WPA2 and AES for secure encrypted transmissions. This standard is required by most government agencies and corporations. For backward compatibility, we also support the older WEP and WPA algorithms. As for performance, a well-designed wireless system can absolutely provide good network performance and reliability. Careful placement of wireless access points, routers, and repeaters is key. Also, Opto's wireless supports 802.11g, which operates at a higher throughput than the more commonly offered 802.11b. What about radio interference? You may need to move to a less crowded frequency. Some industrial equipment and many everyday appliances like microwave ovens operate in the 2.4 GHz band, which is the same band as 802.11b and g. Opto's wireless supports 802.11a, which operates in the 5 GHz band to help avoid interference issues. And how about cost? Since all our existing SNAP mounting racks, accessories, and I/O are completely compatible with wireless, you can use them all. No need to buy special wireless components or limit your design to a subset of I/O, and no need to change hardware or field wiring if you decide to switch from wireless to wired or back again. Throw in free software, product support, training, and documentation, and you'll find Opto 22 systems very affordable. Now, an overview of Opto 22's wired plus wireless products. If you're already familiar with the SNAP PAC system, you're going to love this. We kept the same hardware and added wireless. The wireless controllers have the exact same functionality, the same power requirements, and the same dimensions as the standard versions, except for the antenna, of course. And because the entire SNAP PAC system product line is compatible with our wireless products, you can use any of the SNAP I/O modules with our wireless controllers and brains. It also means your control programs operate the same. No reprogramming or learning new software for wireless. For example, when you surf the web or check your email on your laptop, it doesn't matter whether you're using wired or wireless, and it's the same for the SNAP PAC system. But what if you're new to Opto 22? Well, here's how it works. We start with the Programmable Automation Controller, or PAC. These come in two packages, the standalone S series and the rack-mounted R series. Both have an antenna plus two standard wired Ethernet ports. That means you can use wired, wireless, or both. Next up are the brains, or I/O processors. The brains have two switched Ethernet ports. Now that we've added wireless, you have the option for wired or wireless, or both for the brains as well. Finally, there's I/O. Opto 22 offers dozens of analog, digital, and serial modules to handle just about any signal, sensor, or actuator you might need. All are supported with our wireless products, and most of these modules have a lifetime warranty. In summary, we realize other vendors offer wireless control solutions, But Opto 22 stands apart for several reasons. First, most other vendors have limited or different architectures for their wireless systems. Once you choose their wireless, you're often locked into a set of hardware and software, often with fewer choices. Having one system that can do both wired and wireless can save you time and money during system design, implementation, and use. Plus, there are no extra software costs. Second, while some vendors offer only the 802.11b standard, Opto wireless products support 802.11a, b, and g, giving you more flexibility with your system. For example, you can choose 802.11g for faster speeds, or 802.11a if you have a problem with interference. Finally, security is paramount, and the 802.11i specification assures the most secure wireless network you can get. So if you're thinking wireless, think Opto 22 wired plus wireless instead. Why choose when you can have both? For more information, visit opto22.com or call our pre-sales engineers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.